Starting a meeting can be done a couple different ways. You can have an open topic or a private topic. When you create an open topic, anyone can view. A private topic is restricted to certain viewers or members. The first thing you would do is you will enter in a name of the topic. You can provide an optional description, and then you can select a folder. This helps you organize your meetings and topics for later viewing, and then click Create. It can be started from within the guide using Retree's conferencing technology, Zoom meetings, or even Google Meet meetings. When the meeting is complete, you can either end and delete the meeting or end and save the meeting. If you're using Google Meet or Teams or Zoom or some other conferencing platform, you can save your recording as an MP4 and upload it after the meeting has been completed. Whether you do the meeting from within the guide or upload it after the meeting has been completed, the system will automatically create a meeting summary, your briefs, and your meeting notes that are hyperlinked to take you to that spot in the video that highlights that particular topic. You also have the ability to turn on the to-do list. The AI in the platform will extract a to-do list that have been assigned to certain individuals. The ask feature probably saves the most time, where you can ask a question about the topic and Retree's AI technology will provide an answer. What was discussed about ETSU?
Chris Pappas mentioned that he went to ETSU last semester and plans to go back again this semester. He also mentioned that there is a forestry program in the area that has some interest in surveying. The program has 60 new students and a total of 122 students. Additionally, they are looking for a new professor.
Just saved me from watching a 2-hour presentation.